So the last one and the sixth one is, you can say, about the performance based questions, where we have the exhibits available and we need to perform some kinds of drag and drop options to solve the scenario. Let's suppose, and these scenarios are really simple, because when we talk about the Comptia Network Plus certification exam, so it's an associate level exam. Generally, those who wants to start their career in IT, so go through all these certifications. So when we talk about the performance based questions, so there will be scenarios available where we need to perform some activities to configure the router, to access point, to operating system, and these kinds of stuff. But these activities are really simple. Let's suppose that the exhibit will be available, and you have 5 to 6 options available, where you have drag and drop options, and you need to define the first and last step for configuring any access point. Let's say you need to define the SSID, the password, the encryption protocol, and the Wi-Fi protocol as well. So these kinds of simple options available generally when we talk about the performance based questions. In the second scenario, you might be consider the Active Directory environment, where you just need to reset the user password, unlock the password, and that kind of stuff. In other scenario, you need to activate any switch port with the promiscuous mode for the purpose of monitoring and surveillance kind of activities. So these are the simple kind of activities, but available during the Comptia Network Plus certification exam. So you need to categorize all the questions in these 6 categories. So by that way, you can easily understand where I need to go for the troubleshooting, where I need to answer on the side of concepts, where I need to calculate the values, where I need to perform activities and drag and drop options. So by that way, you can prepare yourself in a more productive way. And when you sit for the real world exam, so after coming the first, second, third, fourth, fifth question, you can easily study the question, isolate the problem, get the idea, and come up with the right answer during your exam, and you can easily pass your Comptia Network Plus certification exam. If you have still, I have discussed all the options, but still, if you have any queries, you can ask in the comment section, and you can write us via email. So we can also conduct one-on-one session regarding the exam preparation, regarding the concepts, regarding the implementation, management, and any other domain regarding the IT industry and data center as well. Thank you very much.